Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trina and today's video is all about my favorite microcurrent device, the Myolift Mini. And if you are obsessed with skincare like I am, consider subscribing to my channel because I upload a new video every week. But before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I started a Facebook group all about microcurrent. On my YouTube videos, I was getting tons of questions that people were asking me. I thought it was a great idea to create a group on Facebook where we can all come together and help each other out. So please consider joining that Facebook group if you want to join the community and be a part of the microcurrent discussion. So let's get right into the tutorial. So before you get started with microcurrent, you want to make sure that you have a clean, dry face. You're going to be applying the conductivity gel. This is the one that 7E Wellness provides with the Myolift Mini, and I like to use it because I know that it's a product that's optimized for the device. What I like to do is take some of the gel and I like to just put it in a little bowl and apply it with a brush. So now we're going to treat the eye area, the crow's feet area, and then the area right under here that I'm starting to see some fine lines come in. We're going to just start right here and just going to pull apart 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to come down here where I'm seeing these wrinkles and I'm going to pull apart here 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll do the other side of the eye here, those crow's feet and the fine lines around my eye area. So we'll go here and place the probes here and then just spread it apart. 1, 2, and 3. And then here, spread it apart. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I'm gonna do my most favorite part, the brow area. I love working on the eyebrow area just because I think the results are so cool, especially as I'm trying to get rid of my hooded eyes. So I am using level 2 Educate, and what I want to do here is just place both probes around either side of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to glide them together and I'm going to push and hold up for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then again 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then the last time, glide, pinch, and hold. 1, 2, 3. And this is where I love doing this. Can you see that difference? That's from just 3 times. Let's go ahead and do one more because it looks so cool. 1, 2, 3. I love the results of this. And then let's go ahead and do the other eyebrow. So on either side of the eyebrow, glide, pinch, and hold. 2, 3. Glide, pinch, and hold. 2, 3. Glide, pinch, and hold. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna just do one more because I love it. 1, 2, 3. And now both of my eyes are lifted. That's so cool. Then there's one more exercise you can do for the eyebrow area, and what you're doing is you're just pinching the eyebrow here. The bottom probe is pushing up and the top probe is really just setting on top of the bottom probe, and you hold for 3. Then move into the center here and pinch. 2, 3. Move to this section here, pinch and hold. 2, 3. And then I like to do each one of those 3 times. So we'll do it 2 more times. 2, 3. Pinch and hold. 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 2, 3. And then we're going to move over to the other eye. So I'm going to push up, pinch and hold. 2, 3. And then go to the center. 1, 2, 3. And then the last section here. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do this 3 times. So push and hold. 2, 3. Push and hold. 2, 3. Push and hold. 2, 3. And then the last time, push and hold. 2, 3. Push and hold. 2, 3. Push and hold. 2, 3. And then lastly, we're going to work on the under eye area. And for this exercise, you need to turn it down to level 1 Educate because you don't want to use level 2 and your under eye area. And you can go up to level 2 eventually, but 70 Wellness recommends that you don't go above 300, so you would need to turn the intensity down. But I'm just gonna do level 1 Educate for this video to show you how to do the under eye area. So what you do is you place one of the probes here in the corner of your eye, and then you're taking the other probe and you're gliding it in to meet it. 1 and holding for 3 seconds. 2, 3. Definitely see the strobing here, but it's not a big deal. And then that's 3 times. Now let's do the other under eye. So you take one of the probes here in the corner, and you take the other one and you slide it in to meet it, and hold 2, 3. Slide and hold 2, 3. Slide and hold 2, 3. Now you can spend a couple more minutes under your eye area if you have some dark circles that you're trying to address, you're trying to tighten up that eye area. I definitely am spending more time on my eyes to treat my hooded eyes and my dark circles, and I think this tool over time can really make a big difference. So that gets you started with the movement of how to do it on level 1 Educate, but you can spend a little bit more time here. So the last part of this video is going to be about treating eye puffiness with a Jade roller. I got a lot of questions on my YouTube channel about how can I use microcurrent to treat puffy eyes, and the answer is that you can't, not with this Myolift Mini, but you can with a Jade roller like this. So I wanted to finish up this video by showing you how to use this around the eye area, and I like to do it last because when I'm using a Jade roller, I tend to want to use a face oil or a face serum, and I don't want to mix the gel for the tool with these serums because I don't want to hurt my chances of getting conductivity, so I usually do it afterwards. And you can do Jade roller in the morning to depuff your eyes, you can do it at night, you can do it whenever, but for the purposes of this video I'm doing it at the end so that I've taken off all the gel and then I can show you how to use a Jade roller. Now you can use a face oil. I brought a couple of my favorite ones, the Golden Elixir Phytoactive Face Oil. I love this stuff, I've loved it for a long time. And then this other face oil I love is by Good Molecules. It is pure cold pressed rose hip seed oil. So that's an oil that you can use all over your face to do the Jade roller. And then I also brought this really cool vitamin C ester brightening serum for the eye area by Perricone MD. And let me try this. Just take a couple of drops of this and tap it around my eye area. And then what you're doing with the Jade roller is you're depuffing your face. So you're promoting lymphatic drainage and you're eliminating toxins from your face, and that's why your face tends to look puffy. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, your face can look puffy because you've been lying down all night to sleep, and then there's fluid retention. So if you want to do a Jade roller in the morning, that's probably a great time to do it. You can put it in the freezer or the fridge or even a bowl of ice if you want to get extra depuffing benefits from the Jade roller. But for the eye area, I tend to like to use the smaller end because the eye area is a little smaller. So I put some of that serum on my eye, and then really what I'm doing is I'm just rolling in quick movements here. I'm just rolling the eye area, just trying to depuff the eye area. And I like to just roll it like this. I can roll it here on the outside here where I might have some fine lines and wrinkles because a Jade roller tool does help to address fine lines and wrinkles as well. And really I'm just rolling it to depuff the eye area. So this is something that you can do as a part of your skincare routine if you're trying to fight eye puffiness. I actually really like how this eye serum feels when I'm applying it with the Jade roller. I think that using a face oil or a serum with a Jade roller is so wonderful because you're really pressing that serum into the skin and getting added benefit. So this is something I really just love to do to treat the eye puffiness. And you're starting at the inner corner of your eye and you're pushing out because your lymphatic drainage system is here on the side of your neck. So you're pushing the toxins out to the side so they can sweep down and drain. So here I'm rolling to push up and then I'm rolling them away. And you can do it on the top of your eye here too, in your eyebrow area. But the trick is that you're always trying to roll it out to where your lymphatic drainage system is. So that's it for my Myolift Mini tutorial video today. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video because I do upload a new video every week, and I have a whole bunch of new microcurrent videos coming out soon, including conductive gloves, an eye mask, a lip mask, all this really cool stuff. So I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!